Evaluating damages to buildings and installations is both risky and labor-intensive, and as a result, it's costly too. Cegeka has developed software for drones that can automatically recognize, photograph and analyze damages to the likes of scissor lifts and wind turbines. This means that you will get a detailed and accurate report, which objectively calculates the severity of the damages as well as the cost of repairs. It will even automatically process the follow-up. This will obviously result in a cost saving as well as increased efficiency. And all this with the greatest precision and in complete safety. It's the power of combinations that results in an innovative approach and a clear solution for your business problem. Contact us so your business can capitalize on our innovation. Cegeka, in close cooperation.